Excellent day to every one of us. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to create this video on how you can set up the automatic RSI indicator strategy on RoyalQ. Before I've done a video on how you can create the MACD automation strategy. But this RSI automation strategy is awesome. I've done a video that explain it in detail how it works. I will post a video, the explanation below this video. But this video I want it to be very very short on how you can set up this automation strategy on RoyalQ. You don't need to be waiting for signals. You don't need to do too much analysis. So the first thing you need to do when you want to set up your trade is that when you enter into your bot, I've said that in the first row that make sure you focus on the top 20 coins on the coin market cap, and make sure that on the weekly chart, let me look. LTC is one of the top 20 coins, top 20 30 coins, but these are fundamental coins that have their own blockchain. So make sure you check on the weekly chart to make sure that it's on a downward trend first, or even monthly, because you want to be doing it for a very long time. Fortunately, the market is very bearish now. The market has really dipped. You can see the monthly chart here shows that months ahead, this coin is going to dip down to this place. So still okay. But if you check the weekly chart, see that the coin is down, is on a downward trend. So weeks ahead, this means that this is the lowest, this is almost the lowest that you want to enter the coin. You don't want to go and set up this strategy when the coin is up here. If the market start going down, you might be stopped, because we are avoiding not be have to be we are trying to avoid not to have floating loss. You don't want to have too much depreciation of your money in your account. So focus on a coin that is down on a weekly chart, on a daily chart too. Let the coin be down too. You can see it's already down on a daily chart first too. It's at the bottom of the lowest Bollinger Band, this line. So we have already satisfied the first criteria of focusing on the top 30 coins. Then secondly, check the monthly chart, weekly chart, daily chart that the coin is down. Then click the create button. Then it will, by default, it will tick market strategy, but then click create at the bottom. Then at the bottom, don't click activate, please. Click trade setting. So when you now click trade setting, don't save, because this is the default setting. Click manually create, because this is setting on how to create RSI automation trading strategy that will be buying and selling automatically. To be buying and selling automatically. So the moment you get here, at the top, click choose a strategy setting here. Then I have a PDF file or a file where I've already created different settings depending on your capital. So this setting is very very important. If you have $100 to 150, for this setting, use this. You can just do one or two coins. These are the settings here for 100 to 150. If you want to use $7 first buying amount, follow this setting. If you have $200 to $250, you can use this setting that is here. I have a different video that I've used to create this setting. Then if you are up to this amount in your Binance or Bybit or any exchange, maybe 300 to 400, use this J3 setting. The first buy now will be $30, because the higher first buy amount you have, the more profit you can make. So if you have up to 500 to 700, you can use $50 first buying amount. This will give you good profits, but you must make sure you have this number of margin call setting. So this file You have to chat me on WhatsApp to be able to get this file. It's for my team. But if you're in RoyalQ, I can give it to you. So these are all the coins that have been recommended. So the next thing you need to do, after you have picked your setting, after you have done the setting, created the setting already, I have a video on how to create the setting for this automation strategy. So the moment you have gotten to the place where the setting is, click the setting in the middle here, where the value is under margin call limit. Click it, it will now import your setting. So it will import your setting. It's not importing. Let me do it again. It must import that setting. So after you have picked your setting, then make sure that it is on, it will be on warehouse mode. So make sure after you have chosen your setting, you've imported it, change this warehouse mode to subliminal time settlement, please. Then this O position take profit callback, this one, please change it to 0.8. Just be following my setting, please. Leave the O position take profit ratio as 2.1. Leave all this one. Then this one to change it to 0.01, please. Then at the bottom, this is where the work is. At the bottom, change, click on this advanced settings, then leave it at cycle. Then this place where they wrote false buy triggering price condition triggering price, click this down arrow, then go to click on RSI. Just leave it at 6. This one is there, is 15 minutes by default. Don't change this. Then it's oversold, click down arrow to less than, then this 20 change it to 3. Follow what I'm saying. Even if possible, change to 2, because it will make the bot to buy the coin much cheaper at the bottom. Because if you check my webinar, how I explain how this RSI works, you want the bot to go and buy only when the coin has gone down to the barest minimum at the 15-minute time frame. When the coin now go up, it will sell. So when the coin now go down again on the RSI indicator to the signal value of 2, the bot will buy at the most cheapest. So the bot will not just be buying when the coin is going down, when the coin is going down. But if it buys at the lowest price and the coin didn't go up as expected, the coin might be going down more below the price that he bought that is cheaper. This is what I mean. I think I've done the expression on this thing. Let's say this is the RSI. In the RSI, this is the overbought region. This is the oversold region. So you want the RSI touch the lowest line, and this last line must be when the RSI line is less than 3. Then the moment it's less than 3, the candles will have come down to the barest minimum at this point. Then the bot will now buy from here. When the candles have gone down to the lowest price, then it will buy, it will trigger the price. But then when the coin goes up, it will sell. So if the coin goes down again, because this one, when it buys, it sells, this is a cycle. So since it's on a cycle mode, it will not stop. It will buy perpetually for long. So when the coin goes down again, maybe lower than this price again, that means this signal line would have gone up, go down again, it will buy again. When the coin goes up maybe by 2%, 1%, 1.5%, it will sell. When it go down again, it will sell. But sometimes when the coin go down and it buys here, instead of going up, the coin can still go down more. So when the coin goes down more, below the price, lower price bought here, that means the market has been manipulated, or the change has been on the market structure. Then the bot will now be following your margin call limit that you set to be buying more. So it will, when the coin now goes up above the price it bought here, it will sell again. So that's how the bot will be doing buy and selling automatically. So leave it as this signal value, leave it like that. Or you can say, okay, if the coin goes down to three, less than three, buy. Or you can say, okay, if the bot didn't trigger when the signal value on the RSI is less than, is in trigger, you can put the second condition that if it's less than 2, you should buy. So just put 2 here. Let the value be very, very small. Okay, change this oversold to less than. You see that the bot will be buying more cheaper, or just leave it at the first condition instead of adding another condition. Then click save. So you just cross check, everything is in order. Then save, confirm. Then you now click activate. You can now click create bot. So with the moment you click create bot, if you click create bot, the bot will not buy immediately. It will not buy. It's until the value of the coin on the RSI indicator is lower than the value of 3 or 2. Then it will buy more cheaper, and it's been doing that perpetually for long for you. So this is short video. I don't want the video to be too long on how to use the the RSI indicator automation strategy to be allowing the bot to be buying in automation. So if I have people that want to join RoyalQ and they say they are so busy, they cannot pay signal, you can just set this automation strategy for them, and the bot will be working for them, giving them profit. So this is a short video. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this on crypto, blockchain, and the financial market. Aderemi-Digital is my name once again. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.